Good morning, class. This is teacher Ryan Oyarte, and I'll be your teacher for today. You can also call me teacher Ryan. But before we start, let's have our opening prayer. May I call on Rizalyn to lead the prayer? In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Class, do you ever dream of going to another place? That's good. Can you guess the name of the following places? Yes, it's the Niagara Falls, located in Ontario, Canada. This one. Yes, Angeli. You raise your hand. Yes, this is Mount Everest, and it's located in Nepal. The last one. Who can recognize the picture? Yes, Alvin. Very correct. It's the Chocolate Hills, located in our own country, the Philippines, specifically in Bohol. Class, what I have shown to you just now is some of the natural wonders. Natural wonders, as the word implies, is the work of nature that amaze people. People like to visit natural wonders to behold its beauty. Class, what we will about to read is about Ayers Rock, another natural wonders. But before we start, let us familiarize ourselves with terms that we will encounter during our reading time. Okay, our first word is Ayers Rock, a massive sandstone monolith in Australia. The second word is Australia. Who can read the definition of Australia? Okay, Gerald. Okay, that's very correct. In fact, Australia is our neighbor. The third word is Aborigines. Can you tell us, Idnalyn, what is Aborigines? Okay, that's very correct. Aborigines is the oldest people living on Australia, just like the Lumads here in the Philippines. And the next word is a thunderstorm. Can you tell me what is a thunderstorm? Yes, a thunderstorm is a violent, short-lived weather disturbance associated with heavy rains, lightning, and thunder. That's very good of you. Okay. Last but not the least is the word terracotta. Can I call Eduardo to read the definition of terracotta? Okay, that's correct. Terracotta is a brownish red clay baked for making flowers or pots, just like what you see in the picture. Okay, class, you did a great job. Thank you for your participation. Let's all clap our hands for ourselves. Okay, class, let's have a recap with the terms that we had just discussed earlier. So, please identify the following pictures. Robin, can you tell me what this picture is? Okay, this is the picture of the country Australia. The next picture will be, may I call Julina? Okay, very good, Julina. This is the picture of the Ayers Rock, the title of our article today that we are to read. The next picture is Judy Ann. Okay, Judy Ann, can you recognize the picture? Yes, this is the picture of terracotta, a clay for making flower pots. Maricel, can you tell me what this picture is? Yes, this is the picture of Aborigines, the native people in Australia, just like the Lomads here in Mindanao. The last word will be Thunderstorm. So, can you explain to me what is a thunderstorm? Okay, that's correct. We all experience thunderstorm during Typhoon Odette. Okay, class. We are now ready to read the article about Ayers Rock. You will be divided into 3 groups. First, I'll be the one to read, and after that, I will call a group randomly to reread the article. So, every group must be ready. Okay. Ayers Rock is another wonder of Australia. A giant monolith. Ayers Rock rises 1,100 meters from the surrounding plains in the southwestern region of Northern Territory. Okay, group 1, kindly read. Okay, very good, group 1. The rock is roughly the shape of a kite, 1 and 3/5 miles long. It's your turn, group 2, to read. Very good, group 2. You did a great job. Okay. Ayers Rock is of ceremonial importance to the Aborigines in the area, and many caves are decorated with Aboriginal paintings. Group 3, kindly read. Very good, group 3. Thank you for that wonderful job. The top of the rock is scored with gullies and water holes. During thunderstorm, this rock basin overflows and waterfalls turn the surface of the rock. Group 1 again, kindly read the one that is in the board. Okay. Wells generally, terracotta, Ayers Rock undergoes remarkable changes of color from one part of the day. Group 2, kindly read. Okay, group 2. Okay. After reading, we are now ready to answer 5 questions about the article we had just read. So question number 1 will be, what is the article all about? I repeat, what is the article all about? So you have 5 minutes to answer. Question number 2. What makes Ayers Rock special to the Aborigines? What makes Ayers Rock special to the Aborigines? Question number 3. If you are to visit Ayers Rock, how can you show your respect to the place? If you are to visit Ayers Rock, how can you show your respect to the place? Question number 4. Describe a place in the Philippines that you think is very similar to Ayers Rock in terms of its beauty. Question number 5. If you are to become a tour guide, how can you convince people to visit the natural wonders of the Philippines? Okay. Class, did you answer the questions, the 5 questions correctly? If so, you are doing a great job. Thank you for listening, and God bless. And tomorrow we'll meet again. Again, God bless to you all.